If you are looking to promote renovation company on Google Ads, then you have to watch this video in full, because in this video I'm going to discuss regarding one of a case. So let's get started on. First of all, read the case, and then I'm going to tell you how you can promote your renovation modeling company on Google Ads. Let's get started. So the best way to promote a renovation company on Google Ads. Hi Ali, I have been given the task of promoting a renovation company in Vermont. I have very little experience with PPC ads. What do you think is the best way to promote the company to get some quick business? And if I run ads on Google, what is the minimum amount spent I would need? Okay, so I'm going to answer the last question first, and then I'm going to move on around. Okay, the bad news with running the minimum budget I recommend is the minimum budget is $2K to 3K per month. Okay, this is going to spend the minimum to get the most out of it. So my recommendation is to have this budget, otherwise you may eventually fail up losing the money. So focus on having this minimum budget. Now on how to take the most out of your is to have an optimized landing page. Okay, optimized landing page. But before that, the first thing first is look around what your competitors are doing around. For instance, I've been using SpyFu, but you can use other as well. I'm going to say Vermont, and I'm going to write over here. I'm going to open SpyFu. I'm going to write over here remodeling. Okay. I'm doing this to see what my competitors are doing. And this can actually help me in seeing around their landing pages, their ad copies, to see, what kind of, the traffic is being done. Obviously, if I'm going to write my website over here, or if I'm going to write my competitor website over here, I'm going to get a lot of data over here. But because since I do not know, this is what I'm going to do is, and see, and even I can, generally, look for over here remodeling company, and I can see over here what people are doing over here with this kind of a keyword. And you can see over here this remodeling companies near me. Even this is the keyword, like home remodeling companies near me. So you can see over here the competitors, their ads. I can see a lot regarding the ads over here, and this can even help me regarding the landing page optimization. So first go with ads. So you can see over here, this is a sample of ads you are running over here. Just for your review, create ad assets. For instance, this is a normal ad, this is a ad preview tool, and if I add different ad assets over here, I can see that if I add, you can see over here how convincing and attractive my ad has over here. You can see over here how tempting my ad is. So authenticity is what what people convinces to buy you from you. So create your ads with these ad assets to win your competitors customers even. So create a highly optimized ad. Apart from this, look for your competitors landing pages. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see, sorry, I'm gonna go back because I instantly clicked by mistake. So it's I'm not sure why I'm not able to copy. Okay, I'm not able. I can copy now. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for my landing page over here by see what my competitors are doing around. So I'm gonna spend some time on over here to see what kind of websites and landing page they have, because they are trying to get the most the leads over here. So you can see over here, and then I can need to have a very highly optimized landing page. So I need an optimized landing page, optimized ad copy. Apart from this, I need to set my conversion tracking, analytics, and fraud click prevention on my account. So these are the few things which I need to do. Conversion tracking can be done over here from the Google Ads account, and even the analytics can be done over here. For fraud click prevention, you can use the ClickSees, or you can use the stat counter over here. You can watch out my other videos as well regarding this. And you can see over here a few of the competitors landing pages. Apart from the landing pages, apart from the ad optimizations, now I will work on my keyword research. So for keyword research, ideally I recommend you to target keywords like near me over here, like being shown over here. Home remodeling companies near me, remodeling companies near me, and you have an ample of located data over here, which keywords you can target around. So go with the targets over here. Also go with location areas, go on to pinpoint targeting those locations areas, and go with these keywords to get a clear idea. And apart from this, for keywords near me keywords, and also have a look around for your negative keywords, plus look for your auction insights over here. For instance, this is a campaign over here. You have to move to this auction insight over here to see what people are doing around, what your competitors are doing. Also have a strong eye over here and move back to your campaign, and in your campaign settings, set up your bidding strategy. Let's start over here. For your campaign, set your goals. As what is your goal is to get the sales, leads, website traffic. So go with whatever your goal is with a sales campaign. Then set your network. I recommend you to go with a search network. Then you can go with search net partner or display partner network later on. Do your location. I recommend you go to the advanced search and do the pinpoint location targeting of that area, that region, instead of the whole area. Set your locations, languages, select your budget. After this, select your bidding strategy. I recommend you to start with maximize clicks and then go on to maximize conversions later on when you get some conversions. Apart from this, I recommend you to have multiple ads and do on ad rotation. Select time schedules, run for your campaign for time schedules. So you can see, like you can even go to over here and say write ad schedule and adjust your time accordingly. Not to run your ad all the time like this, but write it for specific run for specific times so you can take the most out of it. So these are few of the things which I think could be a good way to run your Google ads for a renovation company. But you can even use it for a remodeling company as well. So you can use that as a strategy, but I'm just trying to give you a clear cut idea on how you can run it for your renovation company. So but in either scenario, you need a detailed audit of your Google Ads account. In case if you want to hire us to manage your renovation company's Google Ads campaign, or for any other services, you need our expertise. I have a dedicated team of professionals along with me, and just to let you know that I'm a Google Ads partner and we can help you in sorting out all your Google Ads issues, and even helping with Google My Business, Google Merchant Center. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So yeah, I hope you like this video. We look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.